it's been a very long time. One young man, he be there, is on my phone ringing. Hey, DJ, me pede, he push me nyomanaze, pede promote me nyomanaze. So, and I'm a man opportunity be the Umbra studio, like yan chicken come on. I mean, say no when if it's possible, you bring your bibo or your app, do more sign and I chere. BBRI kama. And see today I have in the studio, brother. What's what from then?
From X-ray.
X-ray. The X-ray now it's asa.
Why would you X-ray? They say, oh, yeah, scan. Into
banting about physino from X-ray.
What's that? The way my life is, you know. Yeah, sure, Obina Brabone that way. Why would you tell them find for the different?
But how does X-ray connect to a American?
Oh, say, maybe me, I'm sure me in Pedro and the metro most kind of medinamity. Me and my father so from X-ray.
I was me. I did to me chimney and can coffee, but so I see you.
X-ray, no. Oh, yeah, we use in hospital.
Yeah,
I would check woman system.
What's the check about it?
If it's to me, the check a pregnancy woman. The check will be a
No, as now the check woman system and other human system.
Human system.
Human system.
Yes.
Okay. Marty, singing man freestyle na man fulfill your voice kakra.
Ose. Mpese me use cinema bi need me de mo freestyle.
Da bi awan kasa won ma me pede nkofu hu de no e good nti to bibi kakra a cappella bi no hu de good singer.
Echirana de katiamu. Echirana meda de kamu. Nechirana maye funu bi. Nechirana miko.
Enyum na nani.
Enyum na nani.
Enyum na ye hunde de do nani.
Na enyum we say anyansafun. So we ye biempa kam na odem defense. Say anyansafun po wo Ghana industry mi no. So we ye kukure bia odam mutodoko.
Right. Enyum ye wa juice ka.
Ebe. Na enyum anyi miska we say wa ya mama.
Wajo wine.
Oh, oji mi bi.
Ahin ye bi so dey hu.
Na say nyimpo no po mbobo na oji mi 1000 pounds so wa aji mi bi o.
Into wajo 1000 cedis.
1000 cedis my friend. Inti me pesa mi nyabi na mi hwa mami ni situto. Ba bombori fashwe.
Dami you me wajo 1000 cedis.
Oh, you me 1000. Na nka bibi won.
Okay, say me mpeda mu go abom ba brother. Enyom nkwasi enyom na ayi. Inya there I'm trying to disrespect you but say me pa ye we will be aka. First of all, enyom me beat na wo boy no oya nkwan. Like engineer by this time or then can report na ma wage police for my watcher. Sometimes say one no kwari or there to me catch you when you na or you free. The way I kasa be Frank Narrow na day. Honestly, you know I may expect something dope and great. Bet, papa. And you man yet I dey one what's a mark a chance and more from what I bet now obinin to create no boom con. My nyom made the new match for so many years. Man kasa obiana nyom ho damada. Bet and you man yet. And you're badam for because one, it's a woman in Samana in some bebre and woman one cassa water woman or do stage be a referee and woman alliance in be and kind of okay and woman start the beginning na keka yada to honors or better. Honors or better. Yanko.
Debe na mebo ebusua. Sade no wale checher.
How to mention to nyoman.
Debe na menye sika. Sika semi. Debe na mebo ebusua. Ebusua semi. Fi sade no wo cheche na wontu mi acheche bi na wale chechera brewa.
Enwa meba. Enyoman ankasa eroto na ankasa. We cannot identify your tongue. There's Saruto Fanto Saruto Trio. It's Afra. The band of my sika. Yeah, trio. Tournament shot, so a Fantana do you tree.
The band of my sika. Sika semi.
Fancy the band of my sika. Sika semi. Na the bena menya sika. Or your tree, I there's a fancy fra. Or you're very confusing. How to say? As at now, from the production to the lyrical and arrangements of this song, or you're complete rubbish. Man dada, papa.
Patapani nyumba anumpodi.
What problem? What problem in the age? You know when found to 2 bits today. Kodentri another dadu lumba. I say we see for from DJ Park or Rich. When it comes to DJ Park or Rich, and you there, I say when it comes to entertainment to the fullest, and I say, yes, Bama style baby. Now I'm one man, and you there. I love to unearth talents. Now today, it's been a very long time. One young man, he be dead, is on my phone ringing. Hey, DJ, me pede, he push me nyomanaze, pede promotes me nyomanaze. So. And I'm a man opportunity be the Umbra studio na yen twetwe come on. I mean say no know when if it's possible you ben you be or your app do more sign and na chere bibiara ye kama inti today I have in the studio brother what what from then
From X-ray
X-ray na X-ray now it's asa
na wa woni to X-ray dey say or your scan
inti banti na be fizina from X-ray
I say the way my life is, you know, show obi na abrobo na da boy dey. Why we need to learn find for the different.
But how does X-ray connect to our American?
I say, maybe me am sure me am in pedua na metro most kind of them tea. Me and my father so from X-ray.
I was me. I did to me chemi and can coffee but so I see you.
X-ray no. Oh yeah, Adibia we use in hospital.
Yeah.
I would check woman system. Inti Adibia so the check woman system be
what the check about it?
If it you to me the check pregnancy woman. The check obi
no, as now the check woman system and other human system.
Human system.
Human system.
Yes.
Okay.
Inti Adibia so the check human system be is original correct. Inti me no me fight to so that brand new say Adibia me about to be a professional work.
Okay.
So we lie no.
Okay. Indirectly a professional artist.
Yes.
Musician.
Sana me hu no.
Okay. I am you for bear how many years?
Oh my and you me 18 years.
I am you for good 18 years. Na ebloa.
Oh, onko so ye de hwuda wa woni tuade wo se yen de bia no ya de no yen so won say odutu to part bi no wo de ye wo de no.
One anom na was a wonyom wo de ye wonyom.
Seniors ni bebre wo wonyim.
Wonyim me
obi kura bo wonim obi kura bo ma mkroni fie o. Me kroni fie o obobo me say ne say later on no an dwupte kura mpo abehye tim nwumi ne tight feelings.
De me wa
and so I own him. I was so say one day be our kind of youth no one bomb the youth no one bomb but you force about so no ajiegu.
A pedestrian musician be a real one.
Oh, me why ye I had a way.
But how you know will be a real one da.
Ebe why we need to do woman woman there.
One and no real one member ya.
I mean cast me tro.
Me say
me a could be simple.
And what camera no
me could be simple. Air drop minjimeni.
Okay.
Watch it. That time you know, me first cinema for me me kind also budget 5,000. That time I drop nothing I get.
But for me I drop 5,000 or that show.
Yeah. No I wouldn't say cinema no depend obey 5,000 I'm a big man now.
And I said we scan so on one continue.
Into me scan so cinema some no tell am ntumi yere me ye. And on your drop it to inch. Later on or the new na come a patorank mu ya ana we akwai obo Good Friday dia wuti bia no endia yo jiweni some we bi we no video clip we no pool party side for me share just top and down be what the trade them you know
no ya wonyam
no I mean you
yo yate
so lie no
my friend me we ya no but anyway so far na enyom na ayen what is your biggest hit? What biggest hit in your name?
Oh, and you mammy, and can now the biggest hit here. Arakatiane, ebusuemu nsam no
adakatia na ebusuemu nsam.
Yeah.
Okay, so etefu will definitely give you the sound of ebusuemu nsam na or X-ray wa dropping. Also no no the biggest sound. Now we will definitely get to hear that song. You bet say nyoma na ye nwude nyoma no or your banger na do your banger, but still you know was studio high you know twetwem come I say. Inti so far anyoma na ye na enya mfaso won ha enya sika bi na ade wo ma.
Edwuna ye no. No say awonbo ne hyeda anye correct offer ni sika samna ade. Enwa ina yen hyeda su invest wo da menyama no yenye sika film. Sika nimpo yenye bi ntia ya woni tua.
Okay.
When checking app no so. But my nyim say me force aye ye den ade bi obere obegeni wo my life mu so what else because I no meye I don't know what am say menye nta na o say meye
e fantinya na de ya santini
amia me fantini
but I the work say rekatrio
ampewa ina ma maintain ne
I dey original
oh me original so me tro de ade no ana owo mu ma o say meye
okay
enwa ade no ana owo mu say o say meye nta ade owo mu no so yin say me torchini o say me koso na ye nti me fon say menye 18 years still I didn't happen mam on kodo mam
one kasa no how many years
me angasa no
yeah
me 26 years
and I am 18 years
yes
nti I mat no ya hen me fa calculator am checking she 26 years minus 18 chere started there you na it was 8 years
yeah
8 years and I started there
yeah
every studio na ke first 8 years I won your more
me first studio ke menu 8 years no cramp no short one
one is Roy X no yeah 8 years more
Rex I say that time pon e wa bro san bi ase o use we deck may be some way bi
yeah makai
nti ade no ya o ya de o say ye enwa ade no o ya adum a che da me na so da ade o da adum ye but awonbo ne nyama ye bi nkodo nti wa ire ya suru ye tumi ehun cinema me poche wa da ruma bome oba che so oblefie ukofie so ide ade no ma no so ala no wa balance ade no yes we say akwana ngase mpo yin followers me fampo onko bia no wa fa ade no ehun lie no
I want to say a singer na a rapper
I'm a singer
and rapper da
oh my rapper da but ehun say odu baby a senior fans ne ka no
yeah
oh we are singer obobo ina ehun say sisi aso issue system do yo rokona rap no impa ba ku ayen dey na nkoti na oket etu no anu koti su na otiti ehun lie no nti how rap no pada onko baby a
okay Marty singing man freestyle na man feel your voice kakra
o say ngampese me use cinema bi need impom me dey mo freestyle
da bi awan kasa wonuma me pede nkofu hu dey no e good nti to bibi kakra a cappella bi no hu dey good singer
Echrana de katiamu echrana meda de kamu nechrana mayefunu bi nechrana miko woma minji meniye woma minchilibi na se wiye de abrabo ye bo apesi kariya yencho oya kontwa yetui kababia wufri na wudui o nyimpa enche wobasena kuwechiro nteya kai wunua enye wunua boni o na se wiade abrabo ina de wobenya biya babunu akunta o impa eya bi mo kasenya mini wanti akunta bia bunyi wo obi mo aye mo wadonke wo ya papa wadi boni twawoka nti onimpa sise wadwi na fanyami na yamina no babunya tano echrana de katiamu sati ase orokodo
matters enwum etu ya be key na etu we
dem nwa mutu ya
etu no wo be key do
F
okay nti pocho se enwum ma na otu F key a confirm me and enwum otu F okay nti ehwe Ghana music industry ni mu ho na wa ye singing ehwe the way a vocal dexterity na etu enwum na what's in there in your binge na pa head to head they I don't know when you're singing I be musician e show you level like what talents and on you need pa
then say asima lekeri am mi slow bia obi obebegina bia message
I mean you there e drum hu di nti na me bi say there when pa na your level when or your rank
Asema ke
and when I was singing and I will ebia oh da me nyimpa 3 easy da mo Kofi zi me nyi gina ho a wo hu do
oh wa woni tu am say me amide da me on Kofi bia won insem bi na am say ye di bi na wa bo ntama mo
so that hwana
say patapa ya singing
patapa ya singing
e hwa ne me tin ma
anti I would dream nyimpa ye better chene patapa
ya patapa an kwatin
hwana
ye on Kofi bebre
so that hwana
ye fa Frank Nalo
ye better chen Frank Naro
na wa obi o ha te fun was me bobo andum ne da me ndwum an Kinaata boy sing ba pe be no ye
e ba nwom na onye Kinaata ye
oya odoi on ye
me do abena ye na said am nwum a nice song
nice song but cinema need in pono do room or enyo no kro yo and hu da part on to hwe a
inti Kinaata na o ma nwom na ye da
Kinaata na o ma nwom
so or rapi
Kinaata rapping if you mu kra mpo baka Lewis na mpo Kinaata na o tro ma no
okay
anan
minyim all right so brother no talent no overload wa me yen hundo ye too much wo ye apido na ye bokone ye kete ne nwom na wo frɛ na ebusuamu nsaman na ye tei ne lyrics no ose se wo ba ho na wo tro nwuma ono so ho na ye wo level because songwriting is a akabo a Kofi Kinaata ina family kodwantwi dadulumba amachi dede wo mu bi wo ha feed a wo pen game na no ye zana chen wana
oh say mpefo aka say me dey on say ayin fo kire no
ibibidi
do
nta wuzi hwana na chi
ami dey ke me yan fanti din kam Kofi na chi
Kofi na chi chere wayi Kofi Kinaata fi wo obi anyi wo tro nyom papa teda wo
wa woni tua
all right
traditional song ni sem fanti krom no
okay
ti yi me brother fi wa
okay
na ite adakatia na tie busuami sem you say oye difference kiti bi wo Kofi ni side as I say
okay
because Kofi otowe me party yo osin do oye me brother me gina me fia ni fia ni ye nyina ye pese boga iti ni nema osilia no lie no iti Kofi ni nwumina ti adakatia na mutu ya o say on sheda nye
ana chede Kofi mpo tap inspiration from our ho
oh me Canada mo me chede ye nyina no o say na no mom na ye nyina bia didi
enam
yes
okay.
Because ishe AB Kranti ishe ebotela no say the monko ofo no one no mom na yedi atas inti se Kofi fu an sen kamena mo ana woni ntua
ya atase na wo friend den atro brofo nyom da
brofo nyom
ana wonyum na o fantin kotin
na mbisi wase mo make jaisi ya sebi we wu koya o no Holland ana say US ato brofo nyom infantin nyom da
bi
enti ade ebade
oya question na bibi so there ato brofo nyom da na atro brofo nyom da ebi o ho e pede international pede wonyum ni bi du abrofo binom wasuom inti na mere bi so muntu bi da
abrofo nyum ne wa mimi swano at the age of 10 years mutu bi
meto no to me inti na yen hwe
osi baby listen you are the one in my dream look into my heart things never fake I hear somebody there for your gate jeje my mind there with your brain enwa but
on ya brof R&B another pop another dancehall
I said dancehall
on your wa brof nyoma
na ma brof nyoma
but R&B the enhuto
I say I don't know I tell no or a difference as I say friend say obi o di fufu no obi o pe fufu pa no on pe kokonti
nta wo dey dancehall
me de no oye me de ne high life na me de name no
oye high life be to brof nyoma za na dancehall abofo na ba na say dancehall for no so dey im de ho na wo bowie wonom eyi na azo enum bia
na asema lu bi se nkra
the way as na awo eto brofo nyoma eto dance na me bi so do dance of the enyim there nho na read what the 5 and 6 awo ebo wi an ebo ntampe o se boy yankopon na haba
we kasemo o se wi ase no yo bia na tete wo de fan mu ata se me fi no de bia yen fantefo no yenyi bi nti about and so say probably are be no ya what sen intem wa ka say wa ka de eyini nwani eyini wo fini ata ase enti me ya di bi na me ma me ni obi ho a esiansma
inti asem ni na de anum wi ma wa ateam beje
menum bi da
enum bi da na enum bi da na baby azene na me
long ba me some catch menum wi da why say wonum wi ni me ya won
okay but enum bi da better support one hour show
oh I don't know ye man all ye na ade
okay that's all vibe na say all right inti beautiful viewers and listeners or your X-Ray in our studio, or you're one of the high-rated fancy artists to originate from the Infantiman Kingdom or your central region. We are here to premiere his first another major single 2025 for promoting. And you're gonna title is the Ebusuem Munsam. Ebusuem Munsam na chade issues where they family inside and into your bakwane ye kete and yomana yeba or hinyan be and yomani breakdown. Inti director or ha mute your microphone and manyan or ye ebusuem on some mpocho sebotuma and double screen and so and kobeya me da pa inti so on your radio just get it prepared and yen premiere or ye the biggest song in the history of the fancy people ebusuem munsem and you gonna saw audio mark bia
you know audio mark
baby apart from audio mark be streaming platform no
oh me I say I'm born in ye tight mami minya boafo ata say nti me ye adwuma na audio mark am do
audio mark onyi Apple Music na Amazon no na say audio mark na
Woldbowy one of that
only YouTube so
YouTube me fan to
okay
but me say from now on going no you about to now
X-Ray
So on this beat
super Dependa musica Sika semi Dependa mebusia Mebusia semi Isa wati jina wonti miyadi chibi Ano wati charewa Mebusia semia Dependa musica Sika semi Dependa mebusia Mebusia semi Mami abrami wo Mami Inti me pesa minye bina mishwe mami na mami ni situto Bako mpoli fashwe Adofu semi Afutu semi Nasu yangu nti Koto nyeti Isoro Nano bawiyemu Nyope wasamano Nano tuufu Yamu kachamano Nwana miye Dependa musica Sika semi Dependa mebusia Mebusia semi Isa wati jina wonti miyadi chibi Ano wati charewa Mebusia semi Dependa musica Sika semi Dependa mebusia Mebusia semi Miami kaimi nabuami Mama tafu so kame home Mama misrendida Fisia waka no wase muse Otini hibiani wa Nasefo sesadie Iti sheme mami Nishmasum Nimpa bobo Dependa musica Sika semi Dependa mebusia Mebusia semi Isa wati jina wonti miyadi chibi Ano wati charewa Mebusia semi Dependa musica Sika semi Dependa mebusia Mebusia semi
So on this beat
Enyum na nine
enyu nani
enyum na ya unde de do nine
na enyu we say anyansafun so we ye biem pan kam na odem defense so anyansafun po wo Ghana industry mi no so we ye kukure bia odam mutodoko
right enyum ye wa juice ka
ebe na enyu anyi miska we se wa ya mama
waje wine
oji mi bi
ahin ye bi so dey hu
na say nyimpa no po mbobo na oje me 1000 pounds so waje me bio
into waje 1000 cedis
1000 cedis me friends
da me yumi waje 1000 cedis
oh nyumi 1000 na nka bibi won a
okay say me pada mu go abam ba brother anyom nkwasi anyom na aye inya there I'm trying to disrespect you but say me pa ye we will be aka first of all anyom beat na wo boy no oye nkwan like engineer and by this time or then can report na my wage police for my watcher sometimes say one no kware bi or there to me catch you na or you free the way I kasa be Frank Narrow na day honestly you know me expect something dope na great bet papa and you man onye I dey one what's a mark a chance and mo frama what about na obinin to create na wo bom kon my nyom made the new match for so many years man kasa obia na nyom ho damada but nyom na nye nyom bodam fukra because one it's a nyom na munsam na nsam bebre nyom na kasa wan kasa what nyom odu stage bia o referee nyom na lines ni bi enkai ni
po me pese on say merit
okay nyom na start beginning na keka yada roto na
na manyesika
da bere
na manyesika
ono zo becher yanko
da bere mebo abusua sade no wale checher
how to mentrem to nyoman
da bere na manyesika sika semi ya bena mababusua ebusua semi bisade no wochichi na wontumi achichi bi na wochichira brawa
enwa meba enyom na nkasa eroto na nkasa we cannot identify your tongue there's eroto fanto eroto trio it's afra the bena menya sika ya chichi
the benya nya trio
tournament shot so ya fanta na do ye trio
the bena menya sika semi
fancy debe na menya sika semi na debe na menya sika oya tree I there's a fancy fra oya very confusing hata say I was so na yente nyoman
fisari no wochichi na wontumi anchichi bi na wole chichira brewa ebusua sam on say
awoye tuaro manchem tuaro
mami abremi wo mami me pese mi nyebi na mhwe mami ni situto papa mpa de fahwe adofu semi afutu semi na so nyanku nti kwoto nyeti nso odo no na no ba wunyemu
meba nti eka kwoto a wanyeti nso a odo wa mba wunyemu ofa kwoto nyeti na wo maame na wo papa won then like what's the connection, what's the marriage between the lyrics to it
tie me no me maame de no odo mami yati ase
matter so but the way I can find so anam wahiem na kwoto nyitiri no awo twedo na yenko twedo ma yenko
enwa ade na woka se nsu na owo nsu odo na oso obo wen
yati nsu pia water da wa vote ko ba wahinem twedo ma yenko time nyi ho
ade na ya woka no anu ana mriye ya woka kirem se menya no anu ana mriye so lewes sa na otie na e ka sembi de ya inso wunyem na
awotua enwom no waro nti me pere atua nsam ne bedo
eradi kamina buami mama tamfu hu se wo kame hu mama mi sendi da fi se waka no wasemu se otini biara nyiwa na sefo se srade e
wan zinyansa kakra wom wan zinyansa wom pa da me he party atwi do no nyansa wom pa nti yanko yenyim yanhwe de benya nyansa sam kakra first zanzana gwechi asama ya twero kakra na
nti hwe me mami ne sumo osum ne mpai bobo na fa boame sa na ade ne ti ne se kese
ehwanu so ye bet fancy na twi na e de frɛ na o man Kofi e confuse kakra
mi twi flow
okay akowanyim nkofo be yiwa no kire ina mo ne biom
yesi
Enyom na esi. Enyom tintin ya tuwi. Director girl wine enyom na yehu de enyom na otu ni na anya. Mpocho awaya ma full screen and that na wo enyom na wasa na yenti.
Ebena maya sika semi. Ebena mababunya. Ebunya semi. Nyani TV na wale chicha brewa. Ebunya semi ya. Ebena maya sika.
Yeah. Papa. Enyom na zaye. Feeling I want to zaye. Yeah, but no quarrel woman there. First of all, and the production on yet new wobo beating on yet. What voice was effect be to dana, was auto tune be to dana.
Engineer.
But say a artist in Tico studio as I was a cover voice on or
My voice one photo to not so. Mirror voice.
But a capella or voice, a no more a sound or tape you do on fat. Only a different. Okay. So, Esu adwuma bia.
I mean, no, monsieur, you say.
Equal school. Equal school do SSI.
Micro technical school.
Why in fa?
Because technical school
Brewer technical. Okay. And a career course.
Me
Building and construction. Okay. No kwasa ma catch in the mason adwuma onye adwuma bon. Enwa. Just the musician, why dream by there, what to Noma in bad which and I didn't try a fair bet, Papa. But Mazana Costra concrete in a mason and your man our better because if a competition or more what to her life are now the way a lot to Woody are, Papa. We have a long way. And what Mungu Abim or in Cranshan Amade show there. So our foot to the Bama wine, them when you call building and construction as your concrete moon there, our form, our muscle. And you're to know your grids in the woods or Ghana. Merba, Mamiri. And you're green in the woods or Ghana. Sisi, I bought him for good 18 years. Ebusia semia for good 18 years. So, BB and Femamba. It's Bomozana say, Dream maybe na book a day. Business been a bear yet. Next camera because, well, minima mumze, but damu you meet on for Ghana.
Now, second man, me too as you.
And some accident. Now say you me a work brains. I would you know CCA. A general palm what body me ya. What book Kofi Kinaata no you what do me what body me ya. And I what bo family and you what do me what body me ya basawa.
See you, maybe so as him. Tama, family Lebanon. Then no.
Okay, remember. Family are the first song.
Because Obrache Sibiano, I am no yet. But a parlor one can answer Ben or womb. So the beijing.
Inti dinner pereveji.
Yes, a dinner me person magic. And you are the way I made to be. Here they are a boom because Obi Bobo one corner, Ghana for J. Bonsu. Obi Bobo, also freedom. As I say, one over them freedom. Or so we need to. No, so we didn't be. No, so that a car. Yeah, it's so that a car. Yeah, Nancy, I see one side, shoulder, one side, shoulder. I will you me a boy, Yansa or once, Yansa woman one side, shoulder. Ah, wait, Obit, pay me tell or about to Bafu. Iba penny, that be Iba penny. I would say that I wouldn't you know what to talk of for Ghana. I would say that where you mean what to talk of for Ghana. T. Enjum enjum. Nya there enjum no beat obey ma why debi. Anase na nyoma nya da say enjum nya da nyoma no what dey den wo kroyi mu. What is the essence of listening to music where no dey be? Nti piache say sanjum we all the way. Sanjum ye si say yego. Yeah. As now, from the production to the lyrical and arrangements of this song, or you complete rubbish. Man da papa. What problem? What problem in the age? You know, when found to 2 bits today, could you enter another dadu lumba? Patapana don't want to turn on one. No, then want to know. But if I say Patapana, one can obey you. Say, you're not in one chance to do, you know. Inti. Princess is here and a Samusu, Yamia Madum, may be. na me create production, correct production with sound good and sound yeah. But we say difference better.
Say your good production baby more support so but since you my yeah 18 years a waste of time or the minimum or a waste of time. I say one brother pay drum for free
yeah kind of man. If you are you to remember.
Bet so what's this I been yeah go to check up. In America the one first of all. And you who produce an ankasa by now police for watching no too because he's joking. And I want kasa sujina one aya nyoma enyomni kasinayin kasam kwete there is not even break for the song to breathe. Oh there be a way solo. I mean instrumentation arrangement and then what about Afrobeat, what about correct high life melodies. When you mean melody or woman baze. You mean ye lyrics in the film. Now yeah, Fatuma Minte.
No.
Mister when you want a man ball lyrics, yeah, today. Anna Mister when you mean yeah to we man kasa for lyrics and for tunchena yeah melody be na yen hu man. That's a Kofi Kinaata that did
Yeah, Kofi Kinaata.
What did I?
No me dey me.
When you be a boy
Yeah, Kofi Kinaata.
Yet.
Daddy, asema me kan say. If you ask no,
yeah.
Ask na gasa no.
Yeah.
Answer na ahoma ogodu swimming pool. You know me duado.
Inti be dua na sisi e pede na mo do.
Mama mpocho man isi.
Ma wa no besi.
Friend say. Aya look say na say onye ni ye de onye ni ye subo hu say the me ade am drop title busuo mi semi senior man be use or I know ways
senior man wana Chris Brown wana da wana
ya wa ha ya fa twinchen ya wa ha minka say pata obiale puya say obiale pese o perform na opia say bi onyi kusika kuduro bi a be kan me de kaya na me pay oya kakra say bi onu say me ka say me ye ndwuma ana say me ye ndwum wo sika me de ye ndwuma obia na obahu say ade na ye no sika wo nti oba ne genuine de me kan what man say oba ne genuine ina abragwa no so the more look to effort na no lenyi say bi onu ohun say bi ne ne ebu onamo o peska ka so na ne Nesi inani webu no on kan kate baby no ndwe no obese no wasa no kuru
deep
obese no wasa kuru no
deep
ata say inti se ka chem de ndwum na me ye no ndwum na ye de by now engineer na also watch no tum na wondwum na ngita melody ngita lewesa sebio no obi le ba hit no pod obi ni beat no de hit
one of obi ni beat hit
abai bebre
seda wana
wakana humbo stars me brain what do be hit ni beat what they hit
okay ya tase cca ya ka bibiare nti I determined that by young man into the ever straight flying them brother would you what TikTok here baze
X-Ray Woldbowy
X-Ray
Woldbowy
or what TikTok also he's not ready to give up in music he wants to make it to the top and so I mean, my catch and also in tea. I said, no man, I know they. Inti. Since I'm paying them a franc of my water with you. Into a BBRO feed and then your man or banana and a style no kitania on a fan. Or portrait, I won't call social media and I won't follow. One call your mark and I won't stream and your man and one share. Then you mean blow no bianca de me, Emi Parko. Menu. Because I am not God. That's very petty in there. Of course. In Dabby, on American there, and you marry a sissy on yet. Until you're ready there, it's discovered and you minimum. Naba young papa and Sanoma.
Naba knew what one corner for a new to one of one corner to a difference or woman. If I knew to never freedom to a difference or woman.
Freedom no one, freedom one be freedom na reka. Wo echo ni freedom or one ni freedom na reka.
oyo posabo ye be ye hu fio ma bi da tunbafo mende me ye mu hu fio no mde to obi ne bafo nusu wa Canadian
hwa wo camera ne mu
nusu pa wa Canadian
okay yan twa asam no do oye da ma wo kasa na ye tenten bebre ihia nkofo ma wa support wo nyoman nti sisi yi ma acha won de won ko X-ray Woldbowy na won bra won bo follow won nyom wo audio mark na won sanso won be share man nkofo nyeyi on blow zo fi de ye good so botuma assign won na wa manage won ombra number manage ananya dam na hwehwe bia
the man am hwehwe
yo asam ne mfensi sisi ana ese won nyom second one so our friend adakatia yo ni freestyle na yen so yen kwe ai
Echrana de katiamu Echrana me da de kamu Nechana ma yefunubi Nechana mi ko Woma minji meniye Woma minji libi Na se wiya de abrabo Yebo apesi kedia yencho Oya kontwa yetui Kalbe bia ufri na wudui O yimpa Enche ubese na kuwechiro Inte ya kai wunuya Enya wunuya boni yo na se wi ade abrabo de ebe ya bia ye babunu wa kunta o yimpa o yimpa aya bi mu kadanya mini wanti akunta bi bo abi anyiwo obi mu ayamu adonke wo ya papa wodi boni tuawoka
oye an wonum ware popo baka the train awoye oye nka wo oyede wo wontam nka machi dede nom na ampofreje nom na pabobo no more time because me tell you na etro na when you na tete ngame tete aseb ba me nti nka ida bantam ko ina etwa na woba wo da me time ya ye tie ye nwoma ye di chi cruising na boba abobo adakatia a chen nti sisi ya na me sro obi owe yi weekend bia no brother enwoma a wa boy oye ya azanwom nti me sro wana ye dam nwom tum koto o wedding ase nti a obi ewe yi program ye peda o perform o asana fofo no mato na won fro pocho intanta opportunity ba
05581 48833
matters nti pocho we yi bi na eprobi ma wa perform wa agege wo guest ni we nyu a X-ray Woldbowy wa ha obotuma aba enya bi mpa amana say iti jollof take away mana sabo so madam
baba asmalike
once menya bi crop person na
me perform na me jollof
beje bade
na ekana mo ayde me yefun na
that be say what's once menya bi crop person
maba eyase aboto nyuma ama
what camera ni dey
otuma aboto nyuma eyase fum atase a menje hwe just
na bede na didi
just na me dey de nyami osi omma eyase ade nchiwa enwa omo obi men dey ade na yere
okay osi no oba ombeje ediban say eyi na ase no watch handkerchief na napkin
me just to show myself there
okay all right into pocho I will be away you gig be everybody this weekend na X-ray Woldbowy wo ho TikTok ni phone am so no other to one no perform we as free enkanka wadi phone aban obaba abobo adakatia am wo de sipe nti baby e wo biare Woldbowy hit superstar 100% Allah Starboy.
Oh no, e can say
na what can I mo be your mpe
see e can Starboy ya why it say I don't know you nigga if you were school you go school eh boy you do my deal na just you my deal no
auntie
no
it's why you to me na enyim
say can me chairman na che say e pi a chere me nyaade
aha into since I'm in Canada no make there ya dey so Martin
aka bibia bi
sisi ya me do phone ma me do social media to ya agba wonyom a chenkof ya che baby a wo benya wonyom nti ma nkofo nko stream wonyom na onya 1 million
ye ya de nyum goti na mubo
nse ya to we ebusuam nsem ebusuam nsam ne dey no se asem se ebusuam so a wo botum wa afro ma akọ perform wo with so wonyom ne se pere what like wonyom na pere what is ese nyama
me nyum ne risese nyama
nti asam se ebusuam a me
asam se ebusuam
a
me pese me am want to say amachi dede mo amachi dede so one day as ten ndwuma exist
but I won ambantam
but pa na ndwum in there say nti wan kwana ne bi
ona me catch the and I will pay the bonum today and pedum na amachi dede nkwade ma o ma me o won tam badam time ye bam badam time won yom na onya relevance manyen but I will mon see her na yan hwe da nyame beye wa adom na say eyi mo wa ba
eyi den
na say adaka
nya eyi asenkuti na efa foto
dabio na adakatia ne kwabo ohwana ne wede na ase
tie
awo ama wo kasa awar
awo mama wo kasa awar bebre tie sebiompo sebiompo enwumi adakatia itumi tenase ofrenamba otie asemo wo no do tunumba
na wala ebo adakatia kire wo ba enyimro ba yede na ada
na tie Bible
atro odonyo me ba me yentwa asemi do e wo odonyo mo ho
mo odonyo mo
tokre na yempon tokre na yempo yehu de feed where dem fusu botum afro
I see fresh girls say look for me now that thing you do for me now I like the way you whine for me. Down. Sugar cane.
Na so what that? Dabi. Chere be kan kwasi afuru we. Ana me catch that you. Dabi e wanyuma sugar si che wo me a. It's a boring dabi.
Last na patapali ka sembi say obo wan kwana na obi di nkwase asem kalem na gatem na ade okobo yansa nwuma yi strong boy obi ampo mfolo obi nwuma na exist wa Ghana since Ghana na nga senka first no lite nwuma nka lite yansa nwum bazi say yete nkwase nwum na yede aje ni keke onyi ni do bandem
ya tase ya we edibim sisi ye hu de Kinaata ni che na ode to komi ibi na ode komi ye hu de awenyi the next Kinaata ana mobwa
obotumu abandem
no ha samai ni tetefo wa ma ye na ya asenwom ko wa ma enwom a wodi siesie busu na ozo odonwom aka ho o ma dance so kakra won konko follow or your Ray Woldbowy or TikTok damara so na ni phone number na to Facebook
mo Facebook
ono sizini ya baze
Joseph X-Ray
only inti won follow na ase enwom na oya we no so
I want problem. Always. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this?